Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Is that too loud? Is that too loud? How about that? Check, check, microphone check. Check, 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 level check. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Pandas on Bye Money. We trade Nascraq every single day. Every single day live. Trading in Nascraq. Pandas. Pandas. Trading Nascraq live every single day here. Pandas. Truck. All right. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat as well. What in the world? Sorry, Pandas, 1 second. Here it is. Check, 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 check. Check, check. Pandas, market's about to open in about 5.5 minutes. Are you ready? Are you ready, Pandas? Are you ready? Crimson Demon, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Steven Black, good morning. Lee 8 in the mail. Hugh, good morning. Did anyone see that Apex reset all accounts that ended red yesterday? They aren't so bad after all, eh? That's very good news for anyone who ended red. But you know us. Yesterday we hit max profits. My audio sounds different today. I'm so sorry. Sorry about that. I was out a couple of days. Today we are back live at it again. Interesting. I just went to New York. I was in New York for the last couple days. Had a good old time there. It was great. Ate lots of pizza. Ate lots of pizza. I think my favorite pizza right now in New York is called... I used to like Prince Street Pizza. But it's trash now. It's trash quality. They lost all their quality once they opened like the new location in Miami or wherever. And it's just it's terrible. So I had to find a new pizza joint. This is one pizza spot in Brooklyn called Le Industrie. Le Industrie. And it was phenomenal. It was phenomenal. I tried Bleecker Street. I thought it was pretty good, but it's not like the crust didn't have any flavor to me. Did I get to visit other pandas like my family? Nah. I didn't go to any zoos. Ryan Madini. Hi, what's up? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up? We're getting some funky price action right here. Stick to the plan, pandas. Today, pandas, we will trade according to the price action. Max stop loss, 750. One trade over 750. So if I'm like at 740, I have one more trade. One more trade. Why did I choose 750 as my max stop loss? Because my max win is 1,500. So I figured if I were to lose, I'll lose half of that. That's the max I would ever want to lose. Pandas! Are you ready? Are you ready to make some bamboo? Let's get it, pandas. Today, pandas, we will get it. Let's hit max again today. How about that? Let's hit max again today, pandas. Let's focus on the charts. Be adaptable. Don't get married to any premises. Do what the chart is doing and just follow suit. Mark about to open. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. Okay. Flushes down immediately right at market open. Let's see where we go back down to. See how well it obeys this trend line here. Wow, okay. Very interesting. Sitting on my pause here, not sure what's happening. Okay. Higher low. Fails like entry short, maybe here. That's what I'm looking for. Fails like entry short. It pops up very strong here. Wow, okay. Exploding now. It's wanted a deep pullback right at the market open. It's a bit high. I don't love it because we don't have market cycle yet. Let's try. It's a silly trade. It's quite risky as well. We'll try to get a quick scalp here. We'll try to get a quick scalp. Hopefully no tricks today. Hopefully no tricks today in the market. What am I saying, Pandas? The market is always tricky. Market always plays tricks. In fact, you can assume tricks will happen. Tricks are the norm. Look at that slippage. Jeez. Huge slippage. Five points of slippage. I thought we were going to get a nice blast off here, but we are reversing. Big down, big up. All right, big down, big up. Now I'm trying to find value down here. Maybe bouncing off our trend line here. We shall see. Maybe limit order trading is the best thing to do here. Or push up. We're breaking beneath this trend line now. Are we converting to a trading range is the question. Converting to a trading range, eh? Strong bear bar on the 2500 tick. You guys don't hear the music? Music's playing. Here, make it a little louder for you. For you hard of hearing pandas. Okay. Pushing down. Ooh. Confusion. Not much confusion now. Pushing very strong down. I could try the other side of this. I could try. Right, we kind of same setup up here, but down here now.
Target filled.
Okay. We're up 40 pandas. Same setup up here, but down here. You see this 3 with the magenta? 3 with magenta? This one pushes down very hard. I guess I could have held that a little bit longer, but let's try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Pretty certain it is. We're just like 10 points away, but don't get married to any premises. No entries here all the way down. I can try to take on the next push down. Depends how big the pullback is. The pullback is like super strong then. Probably second entry short. Waiting for it. Waiting for it. No second entry short for us. Just pushes down. That's fine. We'll wait for the better setup. We'll wait for the better setup. This is the first entry. Coming to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Gap fill 5-minute chart. Pandas, I made a boo-boo. I made a boo-boo. But the boo-boo's not too big. I actually made a boo-boo, but it's not too big because we're pretty much break even. Oh, darn. Give me a second, Pandas. I'll be right back. Pandas, I think we should. Oh, darn. I think we should be good here now. We should be. Sorry about that. What a move down, Pandas. What an absolute beastly move down. Now we're getting like bear bars with strong follow-throughs. We haven't seen this for like 3 weeks now. And now all of a sudden it started happening. I can't trust these strong bear bars anymore. I have to wait for some sort of confirmation. Just what a move. What a move. Insane move, in fact. Hard to even chart this because of how strong the move is. I mean, I'll go for the second entry short. I wish it doesn't float in midair like this. Because you're thinking another push down. After a breakdown like this, you're thinking another push down. At the very least. Unfortunately, it's like in a spot where you don't really want it. You want it to be closer to resistance here.
Target filled.
Right. You get it anyways. Pandas! Get in that bamboo. Let's see if we can hit max today. Wow, Pan, look at the 5-minute chart. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Even stronger bear bar. Goodness gracious. What's that? What's that? That's crazy. This is a very strong move down, Pandas. What can I say? It's the first entry here. We got a 2-leggy here. Let's wait for another 2-leggy. Maybe first entries only. First entries only. Making money. Bill 7 up. 533 with 2 contracts. Let's go. First entries only. Do we continue this massive downtrend? Wait for a second entry short, maybe? First entries only. Alright. So it feels like entry long. I mean, I gotta go short on the strong bear bar. I have to go short on the strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. I almost want to scale in once or twice. We can bounce off the 20 MA. We might not even get it. Might be always in short, just right when the bar closes. Yeah, see the 5-minute chart, Pandas? Right when the bar closes, you just get a push down. Goodness gracious. Okay. Wow, 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 what a reversal. What a reversal, Pandas. Okay, I'm sorry. What a monster reversal. Almost want to just buy. What in the world was that, pandas? What in the world was this monster move back up? We're up to 40, now we're down to 40. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus 200, plus minus 200. This is all it is. Today's just like a commission losing day. Huge move down, just spikes back up. Thought I can get some sort of retracement, but this might be a bounce. I mean, look at this strong bear bar. Pandas! Look at this bear bar. I'm thinking there's some sort of follow through with this strong bear bar like that. Some sort of follow through. Market says not today. Market says not today. No longer interested in the reversal here. Looking for a continuation down now. Looking for a failed reversal here if we can get one. It's going to try to reverse back up, but I'm going to take the other side of it. Alright, we never get our setup. We never get the setup, pandas. We don't get any type of setup here. Just kind of goes up, comes back down. It's hard to do what the market does when there's no double chance, right? You gotta try a second chance. This has 2 pushes up here. I need a lower high. I need something to give me some evidence. We're gonna push down here. Okay. We're gonna try here. Let's look for that new low. First attempt. It's quite a deep retracement. Maybe trading range now. Okay, lower high. Looking for first entries only. It's a small risk, good signal bar. I'll take the hit. Okay, that was a small risk. Good signal bar. Another second entry short we'll try here. Could be trading range though. Could be trading range. I'll try one more time here. Look for a new low here. It's incredibly difficult to time these breaks. Okay, strong bull bar. Decent push up here. Maybe trading range starting to develop. Huh. If I were to create a trading range, it would look something like this, I guess. Okay, we're in this trade. Is it gonna get tricky on me? Is it gonna get tricky on me, or are we just gonna do what we're supposed to do here? Retest the high of this trading range. Okay. Trap fails. Could be a big failure, come back all the way back down to here. Right, that's a failed trap, which typically is a strong move the other way. Getting tricky here. May want to sit on my pause until things are clear, right? We're middle of a trading range. Get the hit again. This is difficult. Gonna sit on my pause here. It's getting very choppy. Yeah, it takes me out and then goes back up. Yeah, it's very tricky. It goes the way I want it to go, but my stop loss is just too small. Very tricky, pandas. Very tricky. I'm just like, I felt like it was gonna come back up, but difficult to know where to put your stop loss. Just happens to be in a place where where it takes you out. Stop loss hunted right here. Interesting. I'm gonna sit on my pause for a little bit until things clear up. Very confusing. This little price action here was very confusing. We do got a second entry short on the 2500 tick. I could try it, but I'm not gonna take any big risk here. That was very tricky. Very tricky. I don't like it. I don't like when market's tricky. I could try to go short here, but it had to be a fail second entry long. It had to be a fail second entry long here. Then I'll try to go short. Maybe go with double. I typically don't like going with double, but with this trade, actually such a strong push up now. What was that? All right. Okay. Second entry long works out. Very interesting. Look at the 5-minute chart. Just get this two huge bear bars. You're thinking another leg down. Sometime. Think another leg down. At least I am. Thinking one more leg down. I could try to take the second entry short on the 2500 tick. Kind of makes sense. But this move up is very strong right now. Looks like an uptrend to me. Okay. Sometimes you gotta admit, the market's confusing. I mean, this is just going up. Do I just need to jump in long somewhere? It's basically a V bottom. Right, if you look at the 5-minute chart, straight move down, straight move back up. It's a V bottom. Very difficult to time that. Very difficult to know that was going to happen, in my opinion. But hey, you gotta trade what the market's giving you. You can't trade what you think is gonna happen. You can't trade what you feel like typically happens. You gotta trade what is happening. Pandas. While I hate this wacky market. John Q says, I will be giving away 3 Le Mans accounts today used by my money down. Le Mans. Is that fast track trading? I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Got a trap setting up on the 2500 tick. We do balance off the top of this channel. Maybe it'll respect this channel. Who knows? Respect it as in it comes back down to the bottom of the channel. Hits the top, comes back to the bottom. We do have a trap now on the 2500 tick. Do I want this trap? I don't love it. I don't love it. It's going to be an outside bar reversal, so I'm skipping it, but it is what it is. It does trap, though. Very difficult to trade that. Wow. All right. Feels like I just short on 2500 tick chart. Let me show you what I mean. So we have an ABC pattern here. A, B, C. Triggers a second entry short and then reverses back up, so it's a trap. Right? But the second entry short doesn't really go far. Doesn't really give you a scalp, doesn't really give you anything. Gives you a couple ticks. So that means people had their entries there, their limit orders, and once it reverses, it hit the stop losses for a bunch of traders pushing this way up. Very difficult to trade. Like I'm not going long right here. Even though it does give you a nice little scalp, I can't go long there. This uptrend is very strong, actually. V bottom on the 5-minute chart. Sure, why not? V bottom on the 5-minute chart. Sure, why not? First entry. People buying off the 20 EMA here. Okay, seconds are short. Unclear what to do here. What a push down. What a push down. I want to buy the new Mac Mini. I don't even use Macs. Interesting. Why is it so good? Wow, lower high. Okay. Maybe it feels like entry long. Could be a decent trade here, but who knows? Who knows? Nobody knows. Just a big push down. Back to the bottom of this channel here. That'd be true. What a strong push down. What a strong push down, pandas. We are bouncing off our trend line here. Should I just reverse it back up? I feel like I can't take this trap because of that. I feel like I can't take this trap because of this bounce here. Like, it's just going to hit the trend line here. What? Banned us. What? What's happening? Okay, trap does trigger. Little space now to here. Confusion. If you bounce off my trend line again, I'm going to have to go long. If you bounce off my trend line again, I'm going to have to go long. Okay. Second entry short. Rips through my trend line. Oh boy. Pandas, let's focus. What in the world is actually happening right now? This is so confusing. Bounces off my trend line super strong. Nice bull bar. But reverses with a second entry short. I guess. Pandas. I guess so. First entry. Do I take it? Am I looking for a short trade now or a long trade? What? This is so confusing. We do break beneath our trend line, so it makes me want to go short now. With the first entry, though, maybe. I don't know. I'll take the trap on the 2500 tick. Trap 2500 tick, pandas. Trap on a 2500 tick. Okay. Maybe limit order trading on the 5-minute chart here. $1,500. Hate this. Truly hate this. I truly hate this price action. Goodness gracious, I hate this price action. I truly do. Second just short. Possibly. The one thing I don't like about this is that the stop loss has to be so large. It has to be like way up here. This is why I don't like taking trades on the 2500 tick. Could be a decent move. At least a 1-to-1 is what you're looking for here. Hopefully looking for a new low, but I don't know if we're going to get it. It's already betraying me here. Already disappointing me like crazy. A lower high will be nice. A lower high without... I do not want a second entry short here. I just want to push down. Keep the first entries going, please. Oh, jeez. Looking for at least a 1-to-1, right? We need at least a 1-to-1 here. Here's a 1-to-1. You're looking for a new low, though, to be honest. If I get the 1-to-1 with a quick scalp, I'll do it.
Target.
Alright, we got the 1-to-1. We're down 20. We got the 1-to-1 at least, pandas. Jeez. Could have gone for the 1-to-2 maybe here. I'm going to keep this level up to see if we hit the 1-to-2. Pretty deep retracement so far. News in 2 minutes? Nah. Nothing high impact. News already happened at 8:30. Oh, actually, 9:45. I thought we had news at 9:45. Oh, that's tomorrow. Is that tomorrow? Let's see. What's my news at? News at tomorrow at 9:45. Tomorrow, 9:45. Flash manufacturing PMI. Flash services PMI. Second entry short. Do I want it? Maybe. With a good signal bar. Second entry short. Do I want it? I kind of do. The question is, are we going to get it, though? It looks like it's having like a limit order type situation here. Oh, so close to triggering that. There it is. Second entry long? Off our trend line? Ooga booga. Wow, 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 wow. I don't like that. Now it looks like a limit order. Looks like a limit order now. It's like I'd rather put my entry where my stop loss would have been. If you know what I mean. It does end up pushing down. But hard to trade that in my opinion. Very hard to trade that. Jeez, look at this limit order trading. I gotta try. I gotta try to put a limit order somewhere. Maybe like right here. I gotta try limit order somewhere. Okay. Look at this. This is crazy. Having it difficult to break the previous candle's high. It's like a bunch of candles in a row. Just trying to get to this trend line here. And it looks like we're pushing down. We made a new low. So we end up making the 1 to 2. We have this level here. But after like lots of nonsense. I tried to get short, but it never came up back to the trend line. Like if you're gonna get in, if you're gonna enter pandas, you might as well enter at a key area. No? This is pushing down. Fails like entry long here. Do I want it? Not really. Especially after all this nonsense. But we finally do get that follow through, right? The 5-minute strong bear move. And then we get 2 bull bars. And then follow through on this strong bear move. So we're kind of, it is doing what should happen, actually. Right? We finally made a new low. Maybe I should have sold right here. Am I being too much of a wuss? Bouncing off our trend line, bouncing off the 20 EMA here. It does break the previous candle's low. It might break this low now. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Made a new low. First entry is working out nicely here. For how long? How much longer? Let's get back to the 20 EMA here. Okay, we're in this. Oof! Unfortunate. Now we try to get in with the limit orders, which we've been seeing this entire way down. It starts to reverse, right? I mean, this happened to me already twice, trying to get in with that limit order off the 20 EMA. I thought we can get another repeat of this happening. Pushes down here. Higher low. Interesting. Second entry short now. The outside bar reversal. Strong bear bar ending on its low. What am I supposed to do here, pandas? What am I supposed to do here? Second entry long now. Setting up. I guess. It looks like a trading range starting to develop here. We're in this trade. Okay, trap looks like it's reversing, which is not a good sign for us. Okay. Just happen to try to continue this trend on the reversal, which has happened to me already twice today. Unfortunate. Alright, let's see if we can get something here. Give me a nice push down. Give me a really good push down. Give me a solid push down. A little more than that. I know you got more in you. Oh boy. Oh boy. I made a boo-boo. I made a boo-boo. Oh, jeez. Did I make a big boo-boo here? Did I get greedy here? We'll find out. Oh, it's looking decent. Oh, man, if we broke this low. Instead, it's getting caught with limit orders here now. Bunch of limit orders down here. Right, kind of creating this trading range type situation. Type sitch. Trading range type sitch here. Makes me want to just get out of this trade. Trading range looks like it's starting to develop. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits now, all in one spot. Yikes.
Target filled.
All right, target. That's why days like this are tricky. You gotta really hold. You gotta really have some diamond cojones to win in this market. What in the world, Pan? This is difficult. What do I do here? Do I assume downtrend still? We're up 210. Downtrend still going strong. Starting to look like choppiness, right? You get this choppiness here. You start to get all this choppiness here. It makes me feel like to continue this downtrend is getting more and more dangerous. You know what I mean, Pandas? Is that just me? To continue this downtrend, it looks like it's getting more and more dangerous. More risky, we'll say. Or less probable. I gotta use the word risky, right? Benali says, caught the pre-market low, up 1.1. Let's go. Congrats. Really pushing down here. I mean, I guess this is a lot stronger than I thought. I don't know. Maybe measured move on the 5-minute chart trying to form here. Measure move. Here's your measure move on the 5-minute chart. Trend line maybe being respected. Okay, no longer respected here. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes all the way back up here for trading range. By seeing all of this, it's pumping the brakes. Pumping the brakes, pumping the brakes, pumping the brakes. Keeps pumping the brakes to do this nasty pullback here. That's what it seems like, Pandas. It keeps pumping the brakes to do to create a trading range here. Let's count the finish here. I don't know if I really want to hold past this. Let me give it a little. Let me give it a little bit of hope here. Let me let it cook a little bit here, Pandas. You know what I mean? Let me let it cook here a little bit. Thinking trading range is starting to form here. Oh, don't let it cook too much though. Don't let it cook too much. All right, pushes back up. I think if it pushes down again, I don't think I want it. There it is. Little pop up. Come up, break even. Maybe. Maybe second entry long here. Oof. All right. Okay. At least came up break even here. Ouch. All right. I'll take the hit. I'll take the hit. Or not. Wow. Pandas. Higher low. Second entry long. What is happening? What is going on? What is this nonsense? Oh my gosh.
Target.
I don't like it. Coming out break even. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I guess started doing some wacky stuff here. You almost need a buy down here. Like Look at this. Buy here. Chef Panda. Call me the chef because I let it cook. All right, what is happening? This is a little bit difficult for me. I guess I'll wait for the fail second entry long on the 5-minute chart or something like that. See, the reason why I decided to pump the brakes because the market started to pump the brakes. Like pumps the brakes here, all of this overlap, pumping the brakes here, all of this nonsense, lots of overlap here as well. Right, clean moves. These are clean moves. This is a clean move. This is not a clean move. Still watching. Not sure what's happening here. Decent pop up. Very decent pop up. Very strong pop up. Trading range, like I mentioned, actually might start developing here. Second just short, maybe, on the 2500 tick. Might be one of those days, pandas. I mean, if this is really a trading range, then... I mean, this looks like a pretty strong move up. It don't look like any trading range to me right now. It's breaking out currently. What a move, pandas. What a move up. What a move up. You're pumping all the brakes here. Pumping the brakes. Pumping the brakes. And finally actually just reverses back up. Nasty move. Nasty, nasty move. Oh boy. Like 7 overlapping bars in a row. You just sit on your paws, wait for this nonsense to finish. You know what I mean, pandas? Just don't dabble here. Just sit on your paws. Very confusing. Only thing worth trying maybe is limit order down here somewhere. This does pop up though. Very strong move up, pandas. Like very strong move up. Like I don't think you can really consider this a trading range. clean move up too. It's just this nonsense here. Hard to enter long here in my opinion. When you have this nonsense. 7 overlapping bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bars in a row. Pandas! Maybe I should just buy anywhere, everywhere. What in the world, pandas? What do I do here? Come on. What's going on? What's actually happening with the market? Okay. I guess it's telling me something here. Every single time I try to jump in the limit order trade, pandas. Every single time. This is not working out for me. These limit order trades are not working out for me. When I see this slow grind, I just kind of lose patience. I'm like, alright, I'll try. It's been doing it for the last like 20,000 candles. Let me try one time, and right when it enters, when it reverses, breaks out, whatever. Alright, pandas. I get it. I mean, it's a break-even day for me today, pandas. What in the world kind of move up was this? And we're getting no follow through whatsoever. Wow. What do I do here, pandas? First entry long. Do I get in? Do I jump in? Since I'm confused, I don't know. I said on my pause here. Since I'm confused, I don't know. It's such a strong move down. You're thinking maybe one more move down. It's such a strong move up. Then we get the strong move down. Get the first entry here with no follow through. Well, we might. We'll see. Too early. Trap trade forming on a 2,500 tick. I guess I'll go a second entry long here. I don't know, pandas. I don't love it either way. I don't love it either way. Either way or either way. Okay, I guess that answers that question. We sit on our pause here, pandas. We're break even today, pandas. Break even, essentially. Essentially break even. Jeez. Feels like I'm playing roulette here. Just 50-50. Red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black. That's what I'm seeing right now. I keep betting black, but it's just red, black, red, black, red, black. Keeps bouncing back and forth, back and forth. I guess it's better than losing a bunch in a row. I guess it's better than losing a bunch in a row, pandas. I mean, isn't that something? Isn't that something? Oh gosh, and it entered a little early. Entered a little early. It's okay, it does trigger anyway, so if I lose, I lose. Fair and square. I lose this fair and square if I lose this. It's such a strong move up. Why am I trying to go short here? I do not know. Right, we made a new low already. I guess I had my eyes set on the trap on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, okay. I get it. I get it. I get what you're trying to do. Looking for a new high here, obviously. The trap, though, on the 5-minute made me want to try to go short here, thinking that would trigger the trap. The trap on the 500 tick, I thought would trigger the trap on the 5-minute. The 5-minute chart trap is right here, where this diamond is. That's where the 5-minute trap would have triggered, and they were so close together. I felt like we can try, but obviously the market had other plans. The market had other plans. Very difficult for me. Very difficult for me. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do. No clue. I guess I'll stick with my original trade here, what I wanted to do.
Target filled.
Okay. It scalped so quick. Couldn't really do much. It just scalped so quick, Pandas. I couldn't do much. Definitely a strong move back down. Oh, Pandas, what is this? Strong move up, strong move down. What am I doing? I'm guessing it wants a new low here. That's what it seems like. Knowing that, I'm going to try. Knowing that, I'm going to try. It wants a new low. It's gonna get a quick 10-pointer. I'll just be happy with that. Oh, so close. I don't like a reversal here. I do not like a reversal here, but if it does that, I gotta lower it even more. If it reverses though, I gotta push it down more.
Target
Making the
filled.
probability lower. Up 400. No, back to kind of where we were earlier today. I basically did like an hour of trading just to get back to where I was in the first like 10 minutes. Whew. That's how tricky today is. The 5-minute is the cleanest, right? It's just a trap on the 5-minute chart. Could have held it for a 1 to 2. Probably looking for a new low. Maybe still looking for that measured move down. Possibly. But because of these big down, big ups, I mean, look at the 5-minute. It's just like big down, big up, big down, big up, but lower highs and lower lows. So if you continue to trend, you're going to make a new low here soon. What do I know, though, Pandas? What do I know? Do I know anything? Not really. Whew. Nor says 500 is not a bad day, mate. It's true. 400 is not bad at all. 400 is not bad at all. Make sure you guys scalp that line. But to make sure you also use code BBM for 80% off for Apex. Pandas! Complete limit order market right now on the 2500 tick. Complete limit order market. So completely limit ordered. I feel like my only trade is to come back up here now. If it pushes down beneath here, because it's starting to enter the limit orders, I'm a little hesitant just to go short down here at the bottom of this possible small range starting to develop. We have a small range starting to develop here maybe. So it's hard for me to go short right here. It's up pushing down decently well. Looking for a new low, right? We broke this low. So we're making lower lows, lower highs. But look, last time we made a lower high, right? Lower lows. We made a new low. Last time it did that, it kind of had a deep retracement. So this might have a deep retracement before getting another push down. So now that we broke the low, could reverse back up here. We'll see though. We'll see. I don't know. We're basically getting like a wedge here, right? 5 pushes or 3 pushes down. Something like this along these lines on the 5-minute chart. 3 pushes down typically is a wedge and reverses. Okay, first entry here. Okay, making new lows. Continues to push down pretty hard. Pandas! Strong bear bar ending on its low, 2500 tick chart. Are we in a limit order market though? It seems like not. Really strong push down, pandas. We had limit order bull or bears, but not limit order bulls stepping in. It's such a strong bear bar. I almost just want to sell it at the bottom of the bear bar, but I've done that so many times, pandas, and I've been burned so many times because of that. I cannot tell you how many times I've been burned by that. Strong bear bar ending on its low. In this trade.
Filled.
Okay. One of the quickest scalps I've had in a while. It happened so fast I couldn't even see it. But that's extra 2 hundo. I'll take it. I mean, if you want to give me 200, I'll take it. If you want to give me 200, I certainly will take it. Daily chart's looking wacky, pandas. Looking very wacky here. Second entry short here. Gotta get closer to a resistance for me to even consider this, though. Alright, second entry short does trigger the outside bar reversal, but not close to any resistance. Ends up trapping, right? Hidden trap. I know I'm saying a lot of nonsense to you guys, but basically what happened here was A, B, C, second entry short triggers, but fails, traps, but it's a hidden trap. It's because it's a hidden second entry short. Shall I dare even try? Should I just sell the limit order here? Again, see what happens. I don't know if I like this. I don't really like the signal bar here. It's starting to get a little bit choppy and sideways on me. I feel safer entering short here. You know what I mean, pandas? Is it just me? All right, starting to maybe develop a trading range here. Okay, second entry short does trigger. I mean, this could push down. I mean, having a hard time getting above the 20 MA. It could push down here. Sure, why not? Trap does trigger with a nice looking signal bar. This takes me out immediately, right? That trap works out beautifully. I was thinking more trading range starting to develop instead of a full-blown reversal. Okay, trading range does happen. It actually takes me out by the tick. It takes me out by the tick, essentially, and reverses back down where I thought I was going to go back into our trading range. It's unfortunate. Just unfortunate. Just unfortunate there. I'll come back up here if we can get it. Come back to the bottom of trading range, hopefully. Hopefully come back to the bottom trading range. If not, it is what it is. I should be selling up here, to be honest. I should be selling up here. I usually don't like doing this, pandas, but I should be selling up here. Thinking trading range. If it does really pop up hard, then I gotta abandon the trade. Need to abandon the trade. But I should be selling up here, in my opinion. Alright. Big hit. It's all good. I really felt like trading range was starting to develop, so I wanted to sell up here instead of taking my stop loss where I should be selling. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Hopefully another push down. We'll see though. But this looks like it wants to fly. Looks like it looks like it wants to fly here. Yeah, high or low maybe. Come back into our trading range. That'd be beautiful. I would love that. I would love that. Come back into our trading range. Let's bounce off the 20 MA. Could have came out break even in the trade. How about this? I'll just take it off. If it reverses back up, I'll just take it out because I don't like the second push up here. Yeah, I'll just take it out here. If it makes a new high, then it is what it is. Bounces off here, maybe make a second entry long. Could came out break even again. I'm being too greedy here, I think. Yeah. Could came out break even out again. Darn. I thought that trading range is starting to develop. What can I say? What can I say? I was making like these steps back up. I feel like my premise was wrong once it broke this high. Right? I feel like that trading range premise was wrong once it broke this high. I just said, all right, let's let it go. If things come back down, then we can enter short again. But It pushes up again here, pandas. I guess. It doesn't make sense to me. One of 4 pushes up, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 before really crashing. Don't know. First entry. It's loving this 20 EMA, pandas. It's absolutely loving this 20 EMA. Okay, it makes a new high. What do I do here, pandas? What do I do here, pandas? I feel like I should have stopped trading a while back. Just mass confusion right now. I just don't like how strong the pushes are. And they kind of just reverses like so strong. It doesn't even make sense to go short here. How big does my stop loss have to be here? Way up here. I would hate that. Back into our trading range, perhaps.
Target filled.
Pretty much break even day today. I don't know, pandas. Pretty much break even day trade today. Look, it does push up. It wanted that one more final push up before pushing down hard. Just, I guess it makes sense. 2500 tick chart basically just bounces off the 20 EMA. It was the second entry short on the 2500 tick was my trade right there. If you're wondering why I went short right there. That's all it was. That's all it really was. Low or high here? Starting to overlap. It's a second entry short though. Big push down, maybe looking for a new low. I wish it went a little bit higher. Oh, there it is. Okay. Maybe a limit order trade would be better here. I guess. I guess we'll try this. It's starting to turn to a limit order market, but I'll try. Mainly because a 5-minute chart has some potential here to really push down. I don't know. I'll just take the hit, and if I find another reversal spot, I'll take it. But really, it's a 5-minute chart that has potential to really push here. Looking at the 5-minute measure move, maybe we can get down to the measure move now. But the 5-minute looks like if it pushes down here one more time, it could really push down hard. That's basically what I want to scalp from the 5-minute chart. I really want to scalp from the 5-minute chart, but it's having a difficult time getting down there. Very difficult. Oh, there it is. All right, triggers. Bounces right back up. That's not good. Okay, bounces right back up. Nothing you can do about that. You just take the hit. There's nothing you can do about that because on the 5-minute chart, you see this move with a strong bear bar, and you're thinking it can hit the measure move. The fact that it just reverses back up like that, there's not much you can do about that. It is what it is. What a move back up. What a move back up here. It's insane, this push back up. Probably looking for a new high now. Jeez. Kind of like I said on the 5-minute chart, right? Creating this wedge. Could punch up. Could reverse back up here. Made a new high. Are we in a limit order market is the question. What's my next trade? I have no clue. I have no clue what's my next trade. I'm pretty much break even though. I mean, not break. I'm down 200. It's not the worst. I almost want to go short here and bring it back down, thinking trading range starting to develop here. Big down, big up. Almost just want to go short here. Maybe I'll take a short on the failed trap. All right, I'm going to let this trap trigger. I'm going to take a failed trap here. See what happens. The trap does trigger. I'll take the opposite. Trap does trigger. I'll take the failed trap here. Thinking trading range is starting to form. Something along these lines. Trap looks like it's going to work out, actually. Risky trade to take, in my opinion, right? Going long right here. Very risky trade. Trap looks like it might fail. I love to be in this opposite of this trade, because how many times have I entered that trap? How many times have I entered this trade and it fails on me? I like to be on the other side of that for once. Here it is, if it were ever to happen. How many times have I been in the long side of this trade? And how many times has it like just punished me because I took a terrible trap trade? How many times has that happened? I cannot tell you how many times that has happened. In my opinion, it's such a bad trade to take to go long right there. Jeez, can't get in. Wow. I'm glad I didn't enter that trade. Jeez. Pushes up anyways. trickling up. Dumb to try to go short here, but I'm doing it. Spike and channel, pretty much. Reversing back down now. I can't go short here. I simply cannot. The move is monstrous right now. It's a strong uptrend right now. No more trading range. I mean, it might be a trading range, but the trading range might be huge. Like a huge trading range. This is the 5-minute chart. Okay. Continue this uptrend. It's around the time where it does basically get knocked down. This is tough. This is tough for me. Pretty tough for me, in my opinion. The uptrend looks strong. What can I say? Looks very strong. Might call it a day. Basically, you know, -1 on the trade. I'm like 50-50. bit confused of what to do here. All right, pandas, getting a little bit choppy woppy here. Lower high. Almost want to like buy with a limit order here. Looks like the market had the same idea. Looks like the market had the exact same idea. Goodness gracious. Okay, what a push. What a push. I mean, we saw something similar here. Just a super strong push up. And the next thing you know, it's an A top reverses back down. Always in long, maybe on the 5-minute chart. Breaking out now. This is nasty. It's such a strong move up. It is always in long on the 5 minute right now. What a push up. I mean, is this like just buy anywhere, everywhere type situation? What am I looking for here? This could be a decent push back down. Interesting. Okay. Maybe not. What? Very confusing. Sitting on my pause. Very confusing here. The spiking channel. Spike. Channeling now. Very tight channel. Very hard to go short in this situation here.
Target filled.
Crazy to buy there. Just crazy to buy there, right, pandas? But you gotta do what the market's been doing. This market has been doing some crazy stuff, so you gotta do some crazy trading. Went long here. It's coming off our trend line, and also on the 5 minute, closing on its high. Always in long, right? Just like always in long here, always in long here as well. Insane in the membrane right now. Little Beastie Boys throwback. Wow. I mean, do I want more than this? I don't know. I think I'm happy with just being green today. I'm just happy being green today, right, pandas? I should stop, shouldn't I? I mean, I should stop on a positive note. Or should I take one more trade, pandas? Do I do one more trade? Yes or no? Do I do one more trade? Yes or no, pandas? Jamil says no. Alright, let's do it. Green, 1.9k on the personal. Let's go. Congrats. Nothing makes me happier than the panda making bamboo. Jamil says, take my money and run. Get out of there while you still can. One more trade, pandas. Second entry long here. Do I want it? Do I want a second entry long here, pandas? A, B, C. Second entry long. Or are we bouncing off the previous day's close, making a great spot for a reversal here? Notice we break the previous pivot high. Okay. Second pullback. This is your second entry long. Bad signal bar currently. Bad looking signal bar. Do I want a reversal? Here's the question. I don't know if I want a reversal. Such a strong move up. Very disappointing right when you enter the trade. Goes back up. Still disappointing. Still disappointing. I go for this? Interesting. I don't think I want the trap either, though. I don't think I want the trap. That's the thing. Was that my entry? Was that my trade right there? The second entry long, pandas? Did I just give up a fine trade? Perfectly fine trade. I just give it up because I got a little worried. No good follow through here. What am I thinking? I should be going long here, no? I should just be going long. Comes back to retrace. Now I'm hesitant. Now it reverses. Higher low is your better trade here today. Higher low is definitely the better trade here, no? Or are we into a trading range now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. If it's trading range, I gotta buy down here. I can't give this one up. Oh, shoot. Nice strong bull bar. Let's see if we can get it in a small retracement here. I think it's a good trade. I think it's a mighty fine trade. Mighty fine trade, right? Coming off the 20 MA, I feel like I gotta buy here, no? Like, if it does break beneath here, I feel like I gotta buy. Creating the trading range instead, right? So many overlapping bars in a row. I feel like I gotta buy here instead. The higher low does kind of fail you, but I think I'm gonna buy again here, thinking the trading range is good here. Right, with it, it's like so many overlapping bars. I mean, it could just reverse and rip my face off, but I feel like I gotta try here, at least with like a, you know, thinking some sort of trading range to develop here. I could be absolutely wrong, but I feel like I need to buy here instead of sell. Okay, trap trade. Doesn't quite come back down here. People buy it before it even gets here. Could push up now. Who knows? Maybe come out break even here. Abandon this trade because it's so silly right now. trap. Fails. Might reverse here again. Look at how many overlapping bars there are now. Come out break even. Could come out break even here. Could easily come out break even here. At least. It looks. Easy and peasy. Jappa and easy. Lemon squeezy. Pringles! Alright, pandas, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I think I've tortured myself long enough today. No? No? Alright, pandas, all for the content. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for joining and watching the stream. Thanks for sticking around to the end. You guys are amazing. Make sure you guys use code BBM for 80% off Apex if you're looking to trade risk-free. Pandas! We made our bamboo today. It's not max, but 400, I'd take it today on a day like today. Pandas, you guys have been amazing. I hope I see you guys tomorrow bright and early. 9 o'clock, 9:15. 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. You better be there. Benali Hawk, congrats. Thanks everyone for joining. You guys are amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. As always, have a drink. God bless. Bye.